Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video. This is part 2 of the video and I'm gonna be trying Logic Pro for the first time in my life. Part 1 is on musicbyLUKAS' channel and you can go watch that, link is in the description.
Yeah guys, so we are here in Europe for the Teamwork Tour. We're hanging out with people like Mesto, Don Diablo, Mike Williams, and we actually came all the way to Vienna, Austria, so that we could meet with this guy, one of the coolest guys on YouTube, Arcade. But you guys already know that because you're here. So now I had a challenge for him. Can you use Logic Pro? He accepted, and we already did the first half, and so now this is the second half to see if the track comes out well.
Alright, so let's see what happens.
Alright, so let's pick up where we left off. We just finished the first half of teaching you how to use Logic.
Yeah.
You're doing pretty good so far. The hardest part I think has been the trackpad.
Yeah.
Out of everything, the trackpad on the laptop is like the hardest part of Logic for Arcade. He's doing good though. So putting this sub bass in mono, all you need to do is go to the imaging section, go to the directional mixer, and just switch this from stereo to mono.
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
There you go. Now your sub's in mono. Alright, now we pick up where we left off. What is next? We have a sub. What do you have so far?
The sub, the bass,
And the keys,
piano.
and the kick.
Yeah, I usually like do counter melody.
Do your thing, your top melody?
Yeah.
What kind of sound are you thinking for that top
I think
melody?
I'm like Don Diablo type.
Okay. Yeah, other things. The classic Madison Mars sound.
Yeah. And that one's pretty good.
Is there anything different from this Nexus and your FL Nexus? Is there any?
Oh,
It's all the same.
Like
right?
only the borders.
The
and
borders.
Stuff. Is the reverb like too much?
Yeah,
Oh,
turn
yeah.
these off. Yeah. There's one more down there somewhere. Yeah. Nice try, Nexus, but we know how to turn off your reverb.
Okay, let's just try it
Do
to
it.
make a melody. Maybe we can do more mixing later.
Yeah. So you want to let go
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
mouse. There you go. Pro. He's becoming the master, guys. He's gonna be teaching me by the end of this.
Back at the piano roll.
Here we are at the piano roll again. The pencil. Yep. You're getting good. That sounded beautiful.
That's the melody.
That's the melody right there.
Something like that.
Yeah, no, it's not bad at all.
Wait.
I think I like the higher octave better, yeah.
Yeah. So I put it.
Now that's a really high octave. You get really excited with the buttons.
Yeah, that's it.
That's the one, the really high pitched shrill one.
I never like recorded it like this.
Get ready, guys. All of his future tutorials are going to be on Logic. That was really good.
Yeah. Alright, so now we quantize it.
Dig. Cool. All right. Now, what do you do next?
And that's it.
That's the whole track.
I don't know. What would you do now?
So at this point, if it was a track that I was gonna work on and like release or something, I would probably change it up a little bit and work on trying to make it like perfect.
Yeah,
But with regards to mixing and stuff like that, I would just focus on your differences between your support. Like for instance, the keyboard. So the keyboard, I would make this a lot wider and take out some of the mono frequencies so that it doesn't get in the way of the lead.
Yeah.
And then
Maybe delete a little bit of the high frequencies.
mm-hmm.
It's like high pitched.
How's that?
Yeah, maybe. Then again,
Sounds a little
mixing
closed
on these speakers.
Mixing on laptop speakers is always a good time.
Pretty
Here,
good.
mess around with the, pick some claps and drums. See what you like.
Yeah.
Try with these, the top loop. I think it'll sound good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It's pretty good. So now, just like a little basic build.
Yeah, always do the drop and then never finish anything else.
Yes, that's the right move. That might be good.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's pretty good.
Thanks, Seven Skies. Alright, cool. And, oh, this is something for you to learn. So when you double click an audio file and you want it to change the time,
Okay.
just go to time stretch to nearest bar, all of a sudden it's already fixed. So let's see what happens here.
You need a feel.
Yeah, you need some kind of little fill there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Like here.
Here we go. Make it.
It was like shorter than I expected. Yeah,
There it is right there.
that's the one.
Here we go.
There you go. Right here.
Here we go.
Where's the move? Oh shit. I think it's good, especially for your first Logic track. I gotta give you the cool guy handshake.
Yeah.
I now dub you to be good at Logic, besides the trackpad.
Yeah. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you want to see the first part of the video, check out Lucas's channel. It's Music by Lucas. Link will be in the description.
Thank you. Such a nice guy, this arcade. We should probably subscribe to your channel now.
Yeah,
I don't
probably.
know if I subscribe. Just kidding, I subscribed.